Welcome to the installation video of the Wrangell system with security films. Let's begin with preparation. You can either cut the window gasket flush with the frame, or you can pull the gaskets and install a backer rod. I've pulled the gaskets on this demo unit, and I'm in the process of installing a 3/8 backer rod. After the backer rod's installed, we'll clean the frame with alcohol prior to installation. The Wrangell Corner is a two-piece patented system. The first step is to install the Wrangell base plate into each corner with self-drilling screws. We will then install the Wrangell top cover in a later step. I'm now marking the Wrangell where we will trim it to fit in between the base plates. The beautiful thing about the Wrangell is the Wrangell trim will go right over the caulking that we have just applied in between the base plates. So the bead you lay down doesn't have to be beautiful because it's going to be covered. And it's okay if you get a little excess coming off the edges or onto the corner, because the corner cap will hide whatever is on the base plate. See how much cleaner that is though than trying to make that bead smooth? The final step in installation is to install the locking snap covers into the base plates in each corner after the Wrangell trim has been installed on all four sides. This will complete your installation.